Man, you got us in the middle of nowhere, man. How you even know this is the right house?
Look, I know this is the house. They had a party here. They had a barbecue here, man. And they were drunk.
For real? Yeah, off the D train?
Off the D train, man. Oh, shh, there he is. Look at him. Dude, he is big. I bet he drives a Lincoln. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. That's what he uses right there. Oh, man. See. I told you. This is where it is, man.
Yeah, I see, man. But this is a bad idea, man. We're not going in there, man.
We have to figure out what's in the D train, man. It's your birthday.
Man, did you see how skinny I am and how big that man is? That man put them big macho man hands around my neck.
Look, don't worry about it, man. We're just gonna find out what's in it and we're gonna get out. Come on, man. Stop being so scared, man.
Man,
Come
you
on.
sure, man? In and out.
Yeah, come on. In and out, okay? Come on.
Come on, man. That dude big, man.
Shh. All right. Shh. Quiet, man. Don't make too much noise, all right?
All right, man. All right,
come on. Oh, man. Look at this place, man. This is some creepy shit.
Man, it don't look like he only making some D train here, man. Like he been killing folks in here, man.
Yeah, I know. Man, what is this thing, man?
He bang their heads against them that make them unconscious.
How the fuck you know? You've been in here with them, man. Why you
No, man. They do that in the movies, man. You know.
Oh, yeah, right. Look. Man, this dude makes Caribbean food, too.
And Chinese dishes.
No wonder the D train's so potent, man. I know. Watch out. Look. That's what they were drinking it out of.
That's what you told me.
Yeah, man, it's crazy.
Oh, my God.
Oh, man. What? This is what he uses.
Oh, my God.
What is this? What? Leprechaun piss.
What?
Man, what? What is?
Unicorn juice.
Man, what does that even mean?
I don't know. It's provocative. But I bet it gets the people going.
Yeah. All right, let's see if we can find anything else in here.
All right, man.
All right, come on.
Oh, man.
All right, let's see.
I feel like Bugs Bunny down here.
Man, you gotta be quiet, man. All right. Oh, let's see. All right, what's in here? Wait. Shh. Oh, man. Oh, here he comes. Oh, Jesus.
Here, man, that big old John Coffee, Green Mile, dude, man.
Look, we can't leave, man. We can't leave until we find out what's in the D train, man. No. All right, hey, get it together, all right? Get it together.
It's my birthday tomorrow.
I know, man. Okay, we're gonna make it, all right? Man up. Hey, man up.
I'm a man.
All right, let's go.
All right, okay.
Oh, shoot. Come on, man. Let's see. Hey,
say something. Can we get a little of that D-Train?
Please, sir. No. Look, don't hurt us. Don't.
Come on.
No, man. No, man.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
It's his birthday. Yeah, it's his birthday. Yeah, it's his birthday.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Yeah.
All right.
Now won't you choke it. 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 I know you hear this train coming, rumbling down the track. Don't miss out on this pimpin', shout it ain't coming back. I'm steamrolling, no controlling, while I'm whipping, smoke stacking, seal cracking, while I'm switching gears. It makes it hard to hear with 15s in the caboose. I'm more southern than Norfolk, bitch, that's why they love what I do. Caution, danger, when I'm on my shit, there ain't no slowing down. Picking up the loners that's honing whenever I'm in time. Them yellow bellies, them Cocoa Browns, they love to give me that choo-choo sign. I toot my horn to all them haters' mom, cause I know they hear that train coming. Yeah, bitch, I know you hear this train coming. Aha, come on now.